Do you like cold brew coffee, but one, it's expensive to buy, two, you don't have the right equipment to make it yourself, and three, you just don't know how? Well, today I want to show you how simple it is with the basic French press. So all we need is going to be a French press. Ooh, that's violent. Now, all we need to make cold brew in a French press is, well, a French press, coffee, and water. I'm using brown bear ratio because this is some of my favorite coffee in the world. And we're going to do a 7-to-1 ratio. So I'm using about 4.5 cups of water. Use filtered water, distilled is best. If you only have tap water, well, that's all you got, so use that. So I'm going to pour out 150 grams of coffee. My trusty little scale here. And into the grinder. Now, if you don't have a grinder, you can just do ground beans. Just make sure you have a coarse grind. A little love tap. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. That does fit. Ready? That worked. Just have coffee everywhere now. We're just gonna pour about 4.5 cups of water in. What you wanna make sure with this is that your grounds are covered with the water. So go ahead and grab a spoon. Make sure you're just gonna dump it all and make sure they're submerged in the water. You don't need to stir it, just submerge it. Now we put the plunger on. And you don't have to refrigerate this. So I'm gonna sit this on the counter for 12 hours because I find that works best with this medium roast beef. We'll be back in the morning. And all we do now is plunge it. That's it, just pour yourself a glass. You have some ice. Now you also want to make sure you pour the rest of it out or else it's going to keep brewing. It's going to get a little bit more bitter, a little more darker roast, as you say. And just put this in the fridge. It'll last 2-3 days. Now if this is too light for you, let it sit in the French press for a couple more hours, maybe even up to a day. And if it's too dark for you, you can always add water to dilute it. You can even pop this in the microwave and have hot coffee if you like it that way. But that's how you make cold brew coffee in a French press. Or add some more water to dilute a little bit.